Hello, and welcome back to Mr. Marlowe's 6th grade math class. Today we're going to be starting lesson 13, which is writing and evaluating expressions using multiplication and addition. Alright, so I forgot to write down my targets originally, so I wrote them in the margin here. My target is I can develop formulas involving multiplication and addition from real-world problems, and I can evaluate these formulas for given values. All right, so like we've been doing the last couple of days, we're going to develop expressions to help us solve real-world problems, so things that you're actually going to encounter. All right, so example number 1 here. It says, Pizza Queen has a special offer on lunch pizzas, $4 each. It should say, they charge $2 to deliver regardless of how many pizzas are ordered. So determine the cost of the various numbers of pizzas and determine an expression that describes the cost of P pizzas delivered. So P is going to be our variable. All right. So what are they saying here? They're saying they're selling pizzas. They got this special on pizzas, and they're $4 each. And you can buy as many pizzas as you want, and they're going to be $4 each. And no matter how many pizzas you buy, whether or not you buy 1 pizza or 2 pizzas or 100 pizzas, they're going to charge a flat fee or a flat rate of $2. Okay? So the first thing we're going to do, just kind of like we've done the last couple of days, is we're going to fill out this table. And I have 2 columns. I have column on the left, which is the number of pizzas, so the number of pizzas that we ordered, and a column on the right, which is the total cost in dollars. Okay? So, let's take a look at this. How much would it cost if I ordered 1 pizza? Well, 1 pizza costs what? 1 pizza costs $4, right? However, we have to think about the delivery cost, the delivery charge. The delivery charge is $2. So if it's $4 for the pizza, $2 for the delivery charge, I add those things together and my total cost is going to be $6. Sound good? Okay. Now, what if I ordered 2 pizzas? Well, again, each pizza costs $4, right? So if I order 2 pizzas, it's going to be $4 times the number of pizzas, which in this case is 2, right? However, I got to remember that sneaky delivery charge, which is $2, no matter how many pizzas I buy. So we have 2 pizzas at $4 a piece. That's $8 plus 2 is $10. Okay. Same thing for if I ordered 3 pizzas. Okay. Each pizza is $4, but now I'm buying 3 plus that $2 delivery charge. 4 times 3 is 12, plus 2 is 14. Hopefully you're starting to see a pattern here, but careful. All right. If I order 4 pizzas, well, they're $4 a piece, times the number of pizzas, plus the delivery charge, which is always $2. It's $2 regardless of how many pizzas you ordered. $18. All right, careful. So, next one, number of pizzas, 10. Well, each pizza is $4, and I order 10 pizzas, still a flat $2 delivery charge. 4 times 10 is 40, plus 2 is 42. Anything different here? Nope. We got $4 a pizza times 50 pizzas plus my $2 delivery charge. What's that equal? Well, 4 times 50 is 200 plus 2 is $202. So, last but not least, we have P amount of pizzas. Mr. Marlowe, what does that mean? Well, let's write it down. So up here, we had 2 pizzas, so we put a 2 in parentheses. We had 3 pizzas, so we had 3 in parentheses. We had 4 pizzas, 4 in parentheses, 10 pizzas, 10 in parentheses, 50 pizzas, 10 in parentheses. Now we have some number P, right? And it's still going to be $4 per pizza times our number P plus $2 is going to give us our cost. And then I can substitute any number I want to in for P to find our total cost. So this is our expression, right? Which is going to kind of take all this information plus the infinite amount of combinations that we have available to us and condense it right into this one equation here. 4P plus 2 equals our cost. Okay? So, what mathematical operations did you need to perform to find the total cost? Well, what did we do? We multiplied 4 times 2, then we added 2. We multiplied 4 times 3, and we added 2. Multiplied 4 and 4, added 2. Hopefully I don't have to do this whole table, right? What mathematical operations did we use? Well, we used addition and multiplication, which was the title of our lesson today, right? Writing and evaluating expressions using multiplication and addition. Neat. All right. Well, number 2 says, suppose our principal wanted to buy pizzas. That looks like bug. It's supposed to say buy. He wanted a bug of pizzas. He wanted to buy a pizza for everyone in our class. Determine how much that would cost. Well, I guess these are lunch pizzas, so they're pretty small, so I guess that would make sense. Well, let's go back to our formula, our equation, our expression that we just wrote, right? And that was $4 times P plus $2 is equal to our cost, right? So how much would it cost if we bought a pizza for everybody in our class? Well, how many people are in our class now? Let's see. I think there's 28. 28 students in 6th grade, I believe. Right? So what am I going to do with this number? If we're going to buy a pizza for every student, how many pizzas are we going to buy? 28, Mr. Marlowe. Great job. 28. Okay? So I'm going to take that 28 and I'm going to plug it in for P. Multiply 28 by 4, add 2, and that's going to get our total cost. And let's see, what's 4 times 28? Well, that's 80 plus 32, right? So that's going to be 112. 112 plus 2 is $114. Awesome. Thanks, Miss Kastner. We appreciate it. So the cost is going to be $114. Okay? Here's a good one. Last question. If the students in the class, so Miss Kastner isn't buying pizzas this time. We're going to buy the pizzas. If the students collected $400 to spend on pizza, what is the greatest number of pizzas they could order? Okay. Well, each pizza costs $4, right? So a lot of you might jump the gun and say, well, Mr. Marlowe, if each pizza costs $4 and we have $400, we could just divide that $400 by 4 to get the amount of pizzas, right? We do it, we'd feel really good about ourselves and we'd drop down to 0 and say, oh, it's 100 pizzas, I got it. And then I would say, no, that's wrong. Because what did we forget? We forgot the delivery charge. And the delivery charge is what? The delivery charge is $2. So what I would have to do first is take that 400, make that a little neater, subtract the $2 delivery charge. That would leave us with $398 left over. Then I could take that $398 and divide that by 4. Okay. 9, 36, 3, 8, 9. So I have a remainder, but in this case, the remainder is not going to do anything with me because I can't buy part of a pizza, right? We're solving to find how many pizzas. How many pizzas could I buy? 99. All right, that's it for this lesson. Oh, let's look at the problem set real quick. Problem set's pretty straightforward. Kind of the same thing we've been doing the last couple of days. Oh, this is funny. This is funny because I don't even know if you guys really know what a compact disc is anymore. Do people use those? I don't know. All right, number 1 says a compact disc, maybe your parents have them still, costs $12 each at the Music Emporium. The company charges $4.50 for shipping and handling, regardless of how many compact discs are purchased, right? So that $4.50, that's just like the $2 delivery charge from the pizza example, okay? So create a table of values that show the relationship between the number of compact discs that Mickey buys, D, and the amount of money Mickey spends, C. Okay? So, if Mickey buys 1 compact disc, okay, well, how much is 1 compact disc? It's $12, right? And how much does this company charge for shipping and handling? And that's going to stand for 1 compact disc. How much money does the company charge for shipping and handling? Well, it's $4.50, right? 12 times 1 is 12, plus $4.50. It's going to be $16.50. Okay, I'm going to do one more with you. All right. Actually, no. Pause the video, try the next 2 on your own. All right, I'm going to assume that you've given this a go on your own. Okay? So, if Mickey buys 2 CDs, well, I know that each CD is $12 times 2 plus that $4.50 shipping charge. Well, 12 times 2 is 24, plus 450, $28.50. Okay? If Mickey buys 3 CDs, well, that's 12 times 3 plus $4.50. 12 times 3 is 36. Plus 4 is 40, plus another 50 cents is $40.50. All right? Good. That's it for this lesson. Complete the problem set. And again, if you have any questions or answers, or questions, comments, concerns is what I meant to say, feel free to email me. Remember, our target for the day was I can develop formulas involving multiplication and addition from real-world problems, which we did, and I can evaluate these formulas when a specific value is given. Thanks, guys. Have a great night.